I'm Orcadian. I have pale skin and red hair, but I breathe the same air as everyone else.
I'm Indian. My skin is brown and my hair is dark and silky, but I feel the same emotions just like everyone else.
I'm a Nigerian. I have rich dark skin and curly soft hair, but same blood runs through my veins like everyone else.
We might look different on the outside, but we are all the same on the inside. Imagine a world without colour. Won't it be so boring and odd? Look at the beauty in colours, the green leaves, the yellow sun, the blue sky, the brown earth, and the purple cabbage, the orange carrot. The list goes on and on. Flowers. Flowers have different colours and scents and makes them so beautiful. What if everyone in the world looked the same way, spoke the same way, same height, same eyes, same thoughts, same talents? Can you imagine that world? No? Neither can I. We will have no inventions, no fun, no diverse selection of books or genres of movies to choose from, no cars, or maybe one type of car, no multicultural cuisines, buffets, just one type of food. This is the beauty of the world we live in, diverse races and the people who live in it. This is what makes our world beautiful and interesting. It is time to come together and celebrate our differences. Imagine experiencing tea in China, sushi in Japan, diverse festivals, rich history, monuments and delicacies in Africa, ceilidhs and folk music in Scotland, hunting and weather magic in Mongolia, castles in Germany. Listen to mariachis in Mexico, learn about the pharaohs and the pyramids in Egypt. Explore the rainforest in the Amazon, run with the kangaroos in Australia, experience fashion in Paris. Ride camels in the dunes of the Middle East, partake in the new Yam Festival in Western Nigeria, sleep in igloos in Iceland, and so much more. When we embrace our diversity, we can build a stronger society where everyone feels valued and respected. What makes us different is what makes us special. Our diversity is what makes us more creative, because our different abilities, strengths, and weaknesses complement each other. Our different perspectives and experiences inspire us to see the world through different eyes, invent new things, and solve new problems. We must look beyond our differences and come together as one, creating a sense of togetherness that goes beyond the difference in our race, religion, language, and culture. Let us recognize that and respect the uniqueness we all carry while acknowledging the common values and aspirations that bind us together, like love, peace, unity, progress, family, growth, and empathy. Unity is not about erasing our differences, but embracing them and learning from each other. It is about building bridges rather than walls and creating a world where everyone feels included, accepted, and loved. When we embrace our diversity, we can build a stronger and happier world. Let us celebrate the beauty in our diversity. It is what unites us.